Creating a new invite is easy. From the top going down, you can add a background, which can either be from the Photos library, your iPhone camera, or Playground. The app also has some backgrounds and colors that you can use. Let's pick one from the options we have. You can always edit the background if you're not happy with how it looks, like in my case. So I'll try to adjust it. And this lets you zoom in and out of the image as a way to crop out certain parts. And for the image I chose, I don't think that's working. So let's change the background altogether. This one looks a lot better. I'll keep it. An event title is what you're hosting. And it can be one of 4 fonts. The first one looks better for me, so I'll just get back to that one. Your event can either be an all-day event or have a specific end time, in which case you have to add the start and end time. You can choose a location as well. Mine is simple, it's at my house, which is my current location. So I'm going to add that. Event description lets you give everyone some important information that you may want them to know about the event. You can create an album for the event. That you can rename if you want. But at the moment, we're not going to add any photos to it just yet. Lastly, you can add a playlist from Apple Music. This playlist needs to already be in your app for you to use it. Now let's preview the invitation. It is looking good. Let's prep it to send out. There are 2 ways to share an invitation in Apple Invites. You can create a public link to share with anyone. Anyone with the link can respond to this invitation. And if you want to control who comes to your event, you can turn on Approve Guests. I'm going to invite individuals in my contacts, which is the second way to send out invitations in the app. And I have allowed the app to access only one contact, and is the one I will invite to my dinner party. So you have an option to invite people via messages or share a link with them. In this case, I will share via messages to Uncle Dan. And now you can wait for your responses from your guests.